Any man wey talk say Ghanaians no go drink water, keep cup in peace, him too no go fit taste that wine. Him too no go fit taste that wine when they rush go drink. Guys, today I come with another video of this fake Igbo king. See, I thought this matter is already ended, but I never knew that this man is still standing on his ground that he is the king of Igbo in Ghana. If not, then what is the meaning of what he did today? Well, Ghanaians, Ghanaians are not people you mess with and go scot-free. Yes, you guys have proven to the world that nobody can mess with you and go scot-free. And I don't think anybody can dare to try Ghanaians again. See guys, something terrible happened to this very Igbo king. It might be terrible to him, but it's an exciting news to Ghanaians. Because of course I am also happy, because when they say stop and you say no, you dey push yourself, one do waiting they talk say make you no do. Now where you go land be that. And I thank God he experienced this. At least today he is not going to sleep well. You're not going to sleep well, Oga Pata Pata, Mr. Fake Igbo King. And hey, I'm not sorry about what happened to you, because you deserve it. Guys, let me give you the glimpse of what you should be expecting on this video, especially you that don't understand tree. Yes. So this self-acclaimed Igbo king traveled to Kumasi. You know, there's a queen mother. Yeah, one queen mother that died in Kumasi, right? Yeah. So this self-acclaimed Igbo king, they never finish your matter. You can't carry your people. He didn't even go alone. He carried crowd along with him as the king that he said he is. In go the funeral. So what happened is that he want go greet king. King no allow men greet him. Hey, the disgrace. They just wipe him on his face, like big ones on his face with a giant hands. Wow. And guess what, guys? I am happy this thing happened to him, because at least not just him, a lot are gonna learn from this. And I ask again, is Yoruba king there? Outside king there? Mbanu, but fake Igbo king carrying korokoro leg. In go there, in one go the rest shoulder. They bring that shoulder down. Trust Kumasi people now. They brought it down. That's to let you know that, bro, you are not welcome here. You're not welcome in Ghana. For them to like, they just gave him hands that, okay, go that way. The same way normal people are greeting the Otumfuo, that's the same way fake Igbo king, greeted Otumfuo. You need to check out this video, and please at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's get right into it.
Abusia BBC ewo eye machia Igbo king no meeting Otumfuo at the Machia Palace. Ye nyina nim say eye Asantehene etwa dani ehwe eye dai dot ye na da so e koso. Na we na asebo Igbo king say obeba ko pie mu bi ewo eye machia. And you know say obi aye welcome. Obi aye welcome, obi atimi kom. Na emum so obetimi achia Otumfuo no. Eno na kire say yase wa yie. What you say? And I tell you, man, she anymore. And I tell you, my invitation, Sabrevi. It is a Muza, Muniakin Messimania, the Simeni, and your life be amiibo. Now, the many who messiano, and unti, and a Messimeni, so many to me. I didn't who you made to me. Now, the kind, the uncle. The uncle arrived working Echo PM woman. This video, no, a very short. The ending part, no, once I say working with Jubby, the book for home. Just what one give at the end of the working. The work with her. You can hear this video. Yaba, the Aka is here, no, you didn't, and so Asomo. Memories is here. Igbo king Ghana, we Dangaza. So Eja, obowura mu amanfo kwate ati Otumfuo bia no ha wodi sie bia no nkranfo no pokwa traditional area mu nyina so tumi ko pie mu bi na me sure say the gap people no mu ko pie mu e wo ye manhia no wo mu na odi wo na chi ko pie mu ho in disguise as the Ga traditional area because any coincident say and now the Ga traditional area through the Pokwase traditional area do e ko pie mu manhia na ne yanso na Igbo kina e ko pie mu. You see, so this no actually say e o one na wodi wa tie odi ko pie mu. Usua ana eja Igbo kini ono so oni wona wodi na tie e ye wadwen say wo mu so be ko na wo makotia Otumfuo bi. Na me nya abotre they heard this particular video. The angle on the port and saka this video no it was very far because Otumfuo dey wouldn't say entna ben sa tete ni pa. E die ntimi ma won hwe the full screen. No hwe the full screen na e makle unhu hwe. Nti wo se ya ne kitwa sei na fi wani na hwe de e koso e wo video ni. Otumfuo tia me ba fo kantankranche. Ono ana Igbo king ekoto no se ogina kwan na no. E no bia wo mehia bia ni ba fo kantankranche bia. Wo di say papa no wonye small team. Wa hwe ya me say we group president coach make just say ma won Otumfuo. Ai me hear this here. You better body pause sa. Mane hamo because you person the details of this video. Good. Eti Igbo king no na aba no a o space black ho no. So hu Igbo king na ha nti waba. Obedu ho no ana eje o pese o twam dawele na nkokoti Otumfuo tie. Ana ba afọ ganjangra say wo ya hwan. Ana so wo di me. Me na me Igbo for king na me wo Ghana. Me na me Igbo for king. Me wo Ghana ha. Wo ni me de ma bo me de a chew. Hwe de sesi ye. Good. Also boni mum. Ana ba for kantankra say yo, una ye boki na Ghana ha ya te. Ene ebo mu e. Na wa beto ohene na mu asase ne ye ne dia no. Eti bo we say Igbo king abodi mu a enye boni bia ba me ko makire ha de. Aye che ne so onche ne di bi o kire ye no a. Ana say ne wa ba de ebo mu a. Igbo king bo mu. Eti abe oboni mu wie ye no. Ana wo buza say ah, ye dia mo ma me kwache Otumfuo. Eja so no na ti hoyi. Ana ba for kantankra say he. Ye ma invitation wa ha. Obi abro invitation card say bra yie na aka say ha be yie kwa wo betu say dom wo ha no chese obi anya invitation card to come and greet Otumfuo krache so bo mu asom Otumfuo wi afa nkwa say free akọ eja buja kila mo hu say the bofu in the first video dey see ye nyina ni o afa mi eto aso dey see ye so ma de kwachi Otumfuo a wa bodi was afa wo ye bodi was find a wedding. I go find a wedding. It's you young woman here. The quantity family. That says a goma every ayamachia as to elbow abandon. Yenyanum gafonum. I know me when I am ready. I'm going to see Ghana for crime briswa. And yet the people of Asante. They represent the people of their accounts in many ways. And I count for or many yambre. Woman yamran come kase dru ba bia dri enra wo mo hwimi ye no menhia no na kopiem wo US a grade 9 student ye project on ye na ekoso Asante region no na US a grade 9 student ye ehun project ye no o mo hwia deep tradition and so what they were doing is say o mo hwimi live from Kumasi to America straight. Abushafo mama nche photo na hu se enye agrobi an yedi edi no akwa no amfa ye so this is credited to Asantehene. You are credited to them and you see say omo hwe Asantehene ye no classroom home TV so I wo see classroom home America and omo hwe ye ni bi as a project say so omo tua more about their account tradition the people of Asantehene dia and ye wo mo nya bote na ye hwi me because opportunity aba where in history and tell see the last time I see and yes but down for cry die it we are see no na say be Gambia then it will be an opportunity for America for cry no to stream it in their classrooms no matter the coso e was Asantehene to your screen so won say bro fun cry no and the omo te wa omo hwe e na Asantehene ye ni bi so that is yesterday e jabusua Igbo hene na som ayehye a eja asem ketwa na one thing I make catch Asantefo ne say omo ya de ba for kantankrati wa bon homoden wa ma Ghana youth any aje wa represent Ghana men na this is what Ghana want. We don't want people who will be killing us, raping our young girls 15 years of age. We don't want people who buried some of our forefathers in the cemetery while they were alive. Pregnant women, took somebody to fly an airbus to rescue them. And they did that details about it some more. And I'm so excited for what they have done. In fact, we share a year Igbo king no, then you might say why are you disappointed? I want to say, that's not the way we cry we baby. Me ma pasem yakina wo ka tell me say me meche me yi meche a wo se ene afa isabo mu ase mabo me mu ase no maso Otumfuo wi ma me kwatia no na me nya photo keke kos kam ya manfo se ma tie Otumfuo no so mo se da kila dwa kila man be bi tina se wa bade ande ko ne ko pe be tina obi anse wayi wa ba no ababai fo se wo di amanfo ni mu wa bade akọ ko tena se obi anse wayi se bra wa bade entimi mpamo na so be tie Otumfuo pa de so far as obi ama invitation ne krache forget na se kira ti ho nyina wa dwa wo nyankonyo na se yi na se ko be we frankly speaking, I'm so excited because Asantehene at Ghana and what they are saying, say, don't see Yano Gafforo, not any fair. Will be assassin, so what the kingdom. Now, who Mugamanje? One got to Gamanja was assassin, so. I say, Surely, frankly speaking, Ghanaian youth will celebrate today what the people of Asante have done. They will celebrate it because nobody say so just this guests from Bafo Kantankranjeno far enough. I say in Kurami who send penny for them to quiet corner. Or send Quasia semi cost our Ghana and they are not in support of it. Almost support is no way. And this seeing this no a big encouragement to Obibiara Okumibia. Me say Obiani Igbo for any problem. Nobody have problem with the Igbos. They are welcome in Ghana. But listen, you don't have the right to build kingdoms on somebody's land. You see, there are lots of countries who are in Ghana. Some people from Togo, Benin, and Go. You can form a community and choose a leader for the community, but to dress like a king, live like a king. Hey, is that how we form a kingdom? That is a big disrespect to Ghana, our motherland. And the youth will keep on fighting for what is right. Nobody can go to Nigeria and claim kingdom. But people can go to Nigeria and create communities, association, union, register them, and choose a leader. But to call yourself a king, a Ghanaian king in Nigeria, have you ever heard something like that before? Maybe some Nigerians might be watching me, and they'll be like, this guy, you are speaking sense. Maybe before you didn't understand it all, but now things will be making clear in your mind for you to understand the whole picture. That you cannot go to somebody's land and create kingdom. You understand? It's a big disrespect. You can create an association, of which just because of what this Igbo can have done, because of that, the Ghanaian youth are so angry to the extent that they will not even permit even an association from the people of Igbo. They won't even allow it. They are fighting every day, making sure that law will be enforced. And the saddest thing is that what they are doing will affect all the Nigerians. You cannot go onto somebody's land to create a kingdom. This is what is coming from Asia. We get a lot of details coming from Asia, and we are here to worship you as usual with all the details that we are piling from Asia. In fact, there is a trending issue, a very interesting issue. You will be shocked. I'm sure some will be able to sub videos they say circulate on the internet. Hey, Centradi, miracles. We are tradition. The unity who say the northern sector, the Votarians, one more air course, and we see some people from the Gonja fighting history, learning history, exhibiting history at the Mencha Palace. And we are who has 70 years pa tribes in two traditional area. Or Makosia Benja or Mokontoka. No one talk about Mukuna is where's my Bakasama that with you. Where's Oboya Bakasam neckers here? Yanu bar, not the region first, and you better more than tribes need pay free. When we see there be you see history class free of charge. Etimia Piemu, so Mencha is the home of tradition, and we'll bring you that details. The very beautiful video of two northern region tribes, different tribes. I want more come about myself. Oh, Mencha, you to be a treasure. So much dear. Very beautiful. And also a year Zongo for from a year the Asante region. The Asante region Zongo for or also ya baby or the free aboboya or see obibiara woko yeni bibia wuntumi enfaka and answer baby yes seize sa haka ntimi nko ema wuntumi nya kwan ko piem we na because a kwan ne from there to here mention ye na so Zongo hine timia hire a year aboboya free about 50 aboboya free of charge what say won be premises for no baby around mention free never kwa yeni bi untua sika bia or mo yenu anum simfo. That is what they are willing to do for ya Asantehene. Almost Asantehene jiwomo feso. Enti sisi dia abobo ye wo around mensia nyina no. Ofra ene e free. So wo kwa ye na senkwa dia ofra me se abusua e free. Ye de no so video no e be ba somo. Ene ye wo mensia de koso wo nyina ha ane de ba be somo. Igbo ken ana de to atwi. No ka se da fofra do. Ye timi de ko piem wo mensia e ma ne ye be we de kache ampa.